Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a small haul. So I ran over to Dollar Tree because I needed some more double-sided tape, and so I got 4 of those. And then my Creative Time had a release, and I picked up this one and this one. However, I'll have to go back because I want a couple other things from this same release. So I'll be back to go grab a couple more items from there. And then from Amazon, I needed some of these boxes. Let me show you. Came in this package here. And I needed some of these boxes. And they look kind of dirty. But what it has is like a film. And you just peel off that film and it's nice and clear. Let me show you how that looks. I thought it was perfect. And they're nice and clear, and I got 4 cards in there with envelopes. So, and these are thick cards. You might be able to get 5 in there if you make them a little bit more thin, but it's perfect for me. Four cards were perfect. So I got that. Let me just shove this back in here, and I'll show you what else I got. So I went over to My Favorite Things, and I was able to purchase from their sale that they had. I want to say it was Wednesday Blitz Day, maybe? Wednesday Blitz Day, and they also have a clearance area. So I purchased from both of those. And so let me show you what I was able to pick up. First off, let's start here. I got 2 of these, which these are called phrase builders. They don't actually go with what I got, which let me just show you that. I got this. Doesn't really go with that, but I'm going to use it for that. So, and as you can see, I got doubles. So guess what? I'll be doing soon, sometime in the near future. Yes, a giveaway. So, and this is that message in a bottle. I picked that up. I think they're now sold out of these, but it was such a good price for these. I just went ahead and got them. I think these were half price or something for the day. And then I picked up several of the inserts because they were just as good a price as the actual message in the bottle, if not better. So, and then I got 2 of these papers. I thought those were pretty. These were only a couple bucks. So I got 2 of those, and I really like those. So yeah, so look out sometime in the near future, and I will be having a giveaway. And I have one that I still have to draw for yet. So I'll probably come up sometime this week and do that one later on this week. But that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.